Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hey, as you can see, I'm in my studio right here in the middle of one of my classes where we are doing charcoal drawing and pastels. And the subject matter, as you can tell by the drawings on the wall, we're painting and drawing the undraped model here in the studio here in California. I'm so happy to be back here again. Let me show you what I use in my studio. Follow me. As you can see, we're using mostly just pastels and charcoal. Okay, so we have the 15-second sketches just to get the emotions down and the action down, and 15 to 30 seconds we do them really fast, all the way to the longer poses up to 15 minutes using pastel and charcoal. Let me show you the materials. My favorite papers are usually a toned paper or a gray paper. I also love the white paper too, especially when we're doing color. Okay, so from the toned paper, as I like to say, I'm halfway done. All I have to do is put the darkest darks and the lightest lights, and we're done. So the papers that I happen to like so much are the Strathmore toned gray paper. They come in a big pad just like that, all right? So look at the beautiful illustration here, even on the front. Also, my other favorite paper, really nice paper, BFK Rives drawing paper. So it's a little thicker, soft, has gray, and also the white version at the same time. Here we have some of my pastels. Well, look at these big ones. Great, huh? Jumbo Soft Pastels from Soho. I also love the Willow Charcoal drawing sticks from Creative Marks. Perfect for drawing. I have, of course, the Richeson's beautiful handmade charcoals. And again, some more tanned colors from Soho. I love these kind of wonderful brick colors. And of course, let's not forget the powder. You can actually get charcoal in a powder. Well, wear your mask for this one, but it's fabulous, okay? And of course, how do we finish up all this stuff? You ask me all the time. One product does it all. This is casein. It's natural, there's no odor to it. It's a pump spray. It was good enough for the Sistine Chapel. It's good enough for me. And have you seen it lately? So it doesn't change the color. It's fantastic. When I had my museum show, I had 7-foot by 7-foot paper. You can't put glass in front of that, so found out that about 5 coats of this Spectrafix, which is a casein pump spray, you put that on the pastel drawings and also the charcoal drawings. Perfect. We knew people were going to come up and touch it. Nothing came off. So I can't say enough good things about Spectrafix. It's the only fixative I use on top of my charcoal drawings, also on top of my pencils and the pastels and my watercolors. So let me do a quick demo so you can see how I work. So starting off with my Willow Charcoal. It's a really soft stick. It's wonderful, right? On top of my BFK Rives paper. So look at that beautiful lines, soft. Just like that. You know, one of the nice things about charcoal sticks, they're very forgiving. And now we use some of the Jumbo Soft Pastels. This. I love the Jumbo because it's a lot of color instantly. Come in with some more. Look at this. You can't be timid with this. This stuff is on fire. I love this. Here comes some white. It just glows, doesn't it? And one of the nice things about having this gray paper, it just kind of gives it a tone also. I'm gonna come in with some red over here. Oh! And one more color, just to really kick it up with some blue. See how nice this works? Now, you know that I love painting in my acrylics, but I love doing this too. Look at that, look at that. So beautiful. And the final thing will be, of course, the pump spray. Let me show you how I spray a drawing. Okay, it's really important that you have the drawing vertical. Don't have it sitting down because this might drip all over the drawing, right? So the best way to do this is soft, gentle. You may not be able to see how fine this mist is. You can hear it. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Don't put a whole lot on. It has to dry. It takes a while to dry. It's not that typical aerosol spray that dries pretty quickly. This one has to air dry, so it's a pump spray. So this will dry in about 10 minutes, and I'll come back and do another layer. I put on about 4 or 5 layers that really seals it. Doesn't change the color, there's no odor. It's the right stuff to use on your pastels and your charcoal drawings. Hey, I hope you had fun with this one. I hope it was informative, and use this stuff. Use the best pastels you can find with a lot of pigment. And I happen to like the soft ones, soft pastels. They kind of look, you saw what happened right here. It just glows. Makes me happy here in the studio. And now back to my students here in my workshop here in my California studio. See you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for watching. Hi there, you caught me doing my favorite thing by myself in the studio. I'm doing abstract acrylic painting and collage. Right now I'm painting. By the way, this is the kind of stuff I'm going to be doing a lot of this year. The abstract acrylic painting and collage workshops all over the place. We do the crazy stuff with tissue paper from candy boxes, big sheets of black paper, craft paper. We make our own stencils with stencil spray cans. Lots of alcohol, water, acrylic sprays. Wonderful. Gel medium, that's our glue for everything, gel medium. And we start off small, these little ones in the morning. These are warm-up practice pieces. And you can see I'm working on some of them all at the same time. Just want to think there's so much fun in this class. So again, I even had to write it down because it's a mouthful for me. Abstract, acrylic, painting, and collage. Hey, I'll see you there. Excuse me while I go collage. Oh, gold. More gold. Big one. There we go. If you're gonna do it, do it.
So Bob, where can they find out about these workshops?
Go to my website. It's all there.
robertburridge.com.